Good noon, everyone. Today discuss about mass transfer operation 2, unit number 6, crystallization. Topic is the method of supersaturation part. In a previous lecture, for a simple discussion part for solubility curves, nucleation, crystal growth also. Okay. Then after industrial applications of crystallizations. Okay. જોઈશું હવે આપણે method of supersaturation for get it. Okay. તો start કરીએ આપણે. મેથડ ઓફ સુપર સેચ્યુરેશન 3 માર્કની શોર્ટકટમાં પૂછી શકાય. ઓકે, તો થેન્ક યુ. સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ આપણે. This one. Unless a solution is a supersaturated, neither nucleation or crystal growth occurs part. Okay, crystal growth નું ડિસ્કશન આપણે પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈ ગયા હતા. This one. Crystal growth part is a nuclear and also growth part. Okay, આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરીશું એ રિવિઝન પાર્ટમાં. Okay, unless a solution is a supersaturated part, neither nucleations or crystal growth occurs. For example, crystal can neither from nor now. Thus, for crystallizations to occur part, supersaturation can be generated by any one of the following methods. Okay, તે ડિસ્કસ કરીએ આપણે ડિટેલ્સમાં. This is the first one. By cooling a concentrated hot solution through indirect heat exchanger. By cooling a concentrated hot solution through indirect heat exchanger, by evaporating a part of the solvent, by evaporating a solution part. Okay, second one is there. By evaporating a part of the solvent by evaporating a solution part. Simply, the following supersaturation method for generated any one of the following. The first one is by cooling. By cooling, first one is there, a concentrated part, the hot solution through indirect heat exchange, and the second one by evaporating a part of the solvent by evaporating a solution. Okay, the third one by adiabatic evaporation and cooling, for example by vacuum cooling, by flashing of a feed solution adiabatically to a lower temperature and inducing and causing crystallization part, by a simultaneous cooling and evaporation of the solvents also. Okay, this is a simply discussion part. Okay, by evaporating a part of the solvents and by evaporating a solution. And third one by adiabatic evaporation of and cooling, for example vacuum cooling. Okay, the by flashings of a feed solution and adiabatically to a lower temperature and including crystallizations by simultaneous cooling and evaporation of the solvents also. Okay, by adding a new substance or in the third substance માં જોઈશું આપણે which reduce the solubility of the original solute by salting માટે. જે થર્ડ પણ જોયું આપણે જે એડિયાબેટિક ઇવોપોરેશન છે અને કુલિંગ બાય એક્ઝામ્પલ આપ્યું વેક્યુમ કુલિંગનું આપણે બાય ફ્લેશિંગ ઓફ અ ફીડ સોલ્યુશન એડિયાબેટિકલી ટુ અ લોઅર ટેમ્પરેચર એન્ડ ઇન્ક્લુડિંગ ધ causing crystallization part, by simultaneous cooling and evaporation of the solvents, by adding a new substance, a third substance which reduce the solubility of the original solute, by salting, by chemical reactions with a third substance also. Okay, when the solubility of the solute increases with increase in the temperature, a saturated solutions become supersaturated part. Okay, discussion part આપ્યું છે આખું. લાસ્ટ પોઈન્ટ છે by chemical reactions with a third substance. Okay, ત્રીજા સબસ્ટન્સને આપણે એડ કરી શકીએ એઝ અ સોલ્વન્ટ તરીકે આપણે યુઝ કરી શકીએ. બરાબર. When the solubility of a solute increases, the temperature, a saturated solution becomes of this part in a becomes supersaturated. For any example, supersaturation is generated by cooling and temperature reduction. This is the case with many inorganic salts and organic substances. For example, potassium nitrate, KNO3. Okay, and the potassium chlorate also, KCl, and the oxalic acid, when the solubility of the solute in a relatively independent of the temperature also, as in the case with common salt NaCl, sodium chloride, and in H2O, the supersaturation generated by evaporating a part of the solvents when the solubility of the solute is very high, uh, then neither cooling for evaporations help, and the saturation may be generated by adding a new substances. Okay, for a third component, the added component may get a mix physically with the original solvent to form a mixed solvent, in the which the solubility of the solute is reduced of this technique is calling salting part. The third component added may react with the original solute and from in an insoluble substance. This is related to the technique someone is called a precipitation part, and the method employed in a wet qualitative analysis are a prime example of precipitations also. The rapid creations of a very large supersaturation is possible by addition of a third component, but it is not common in industries. Okay, this is the simply discussion part for a method of supersaturation part. Okay, the by cooling a concentrated hot solution through indirect heat exchange also. Okay, by evaporating a part of the solvent, evaporating a solutions by adiabatically evaporation, and cooling by flashing of a feed solution adiabatically to a lower temperature, and including causing for crystallization by solution by simultaneous cooling and evaporation of the solvents by adding a new substance for a third substance use which reduce the solubility of the original solute. For example, by salting part, by chemical reactions with a third substance, when the solubility of the solute increases with in the temperature, substance becomes supersaturation in a generated by cooling and temperature also for a reduction part. This is the case with many inorganic salts and organic substance. For example, potassium nitrate, potassium chloride, and oxalic acid. When the solubility of this solute in a relatively independent of a temperature part, as in the case with common salt, in case sodium chloride NaCl in H2O, supersaturation in a generated by evaporating a part of the solvent. Okay, when the subject solubility of the solute is very high, then neither cooling nor evaporations the help and the supersaturation may be generated by adding a new substance, a third component માટે જોઈશું આપણે. The added component may get mixed physically with the original solvent to form of a mixed solvent in which the solubility of the solute is a reduced part. This technique is called salting. Okay, the third component added may react with the original solute and form an insoluble substances. This technique is called as a precipitation also. Okay, the method employs in a with qualitative analysis are the prime example of a precipitations also. The rapid creations of very large supersaturations is possible by the additions of the third component, but it is not now common in industries. Okay, next જોઈશું આપણે સુપરસેચ્યુરેશન મેર સુપરસેચ્યુરેશન થિયરી જે ગ્રાફિકલી વિઝિટ છે મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ છે એ જોઈએ આપણે. બરાબર, તો અકોર્ડિંગ ટુ ધ મેર સુપરસેચ્યુરેશન થિયરી એના ગ્રાફિકલી સિસ્ટમમાં આવશે in a relationship between the concentration and temperature at which crystal with a spontaneously from the pure component also. This relationship represented by the super solubility, the curve which is approximated parallel to the solubility curves also. Okay, the both the curves are in a figure 11.2, and the curve AB is the solubility curve, and the curve PQ is there. The super solubility curve, the curve AB represented the maximum. એટલે the curve જોઈ લઈએ આપણે સિમ્પલી કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન વર્સિસ ટેમ્પરેચરનો ગ્રાફ આપ્યો છે. સુપર સોલ્યુબિલિટી છે, નોર્મલ સોલ્યુબિલિટી કર્વ્સ છે, અને CDE પાથ ઓફ ધ સોલ્યુશન ઓફ ધ કુલિંગ. ઓકે, CDE પાર્ટ. ઓકે, જે સબસ્ટન્સ મૂવ થાય છે એ ક્યાંથી B થી C સુધીનો ડિસ્ટન્સ છે અંતરનો. બરાબર. The super solubility curves, the curve AB represented a maximum concentration of the solution, which we can be achieved by this bringing solid solute into equilibrium with a liquid solvent also. If a solution having the compositions part, okay, compositions, and the temperature indicated by the point C is cooled in the direction shown by the arrow. જે એરોમાં દર્શાવ્યા પ્રમાણે જે બતાવશે એ પ્રમાણે તમને ખ્યાલ આવશે કે કઈ રીતનું છે. જુઓ, સુપર સોલ્યુબિલિટી કર્વ છે. જે ડિસ્ટન્સ કેટલું છે, D થી C નું અંતર છે, ડોટેડ લાઇન માટે આપ્યું છે. હવે જેટલું બી ડિસ્ટન્સ આપશે એને કહેવાય છે CDE પાથ ઓફ ધ સોલ્યુશન ઓફ કુલિંગ માટે. બરાબર. આ છે ફિગરમાં ખાસ તમે ધ્યાન આપી લો, એ તમને એટલે થોડો વધારે ખ્યાલ આવશે. બરાબર. Then next discussion part for theoretically, the curve AB represented a maximum concentration of a solution part, and which can be achieved by bringing solute into the equilibrium with the liquid solvent. If a solution having the composition and the temperature indicated by the point C is cooled in the direction shown by the arrow, it first cross the solubility curve AB, and would accept the here crystallization to start. Actually, if we start with initially unseeds the solution also, the crystal formation will not begin until the solution, okay, is a super cool considerably the past of the curve AB. According to the Mayer's theory, crystallizations will start in the negligent board of the point D also, and the concentration of this solution then follows for a roughly along the curve DE. જે ગ્રાફિકલી સિસ્ટમ આપ્યું છે, જો કર્વ DE, this one is a CD. Okay, a curve A, a curve Q, P, super solubility curve, normal solubility curve, CDE path of this cooling. મેં સુપર સેચ્યુરેશન થિયરીનો પાર્ટ છે ગ્રાફિકલી સિસ્ટમમાં, જેમાં કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન વર્સિસ ટેમ્પરેચરનો ગ્રાફ આપ્યો છે. બરાબર. પોઝિશન ફોર અ પોઈન્ટ D also along the line for a CD. The Mayer super saturation useful in a discussion of the qualitative aspect of a nucleation from seeded and the unseeded solutions. બરાબર. This is a complete diagram for a Mayer super saturation theory. Okay, again repeated main part. Actually, if we started with the initially unseeded the solution crystals, formation will not begin until the solution is a super cooled considerably past the curve AB, and according to the Mayer's theory, for a crystallization we will start in the negligible board for a point D, and the concentration of the solution into the follows roughly along the curve DE part. For any initially unseeded solutions, the curve PQ represents the limit at which spontaneous nuclei the formation begin, and consequently for the part of the crystallizations can start according to Mayer's theory, and under the normal conditions nuclei cannot be from the crystallizations, cannot then occurs in the area between the solubility curve and the super solubility curve is any position short ઓફ ધ પોઈન્ટ ડી અલોંગ ધી લાઇન સીડી માટે છે. ઓકે, તો થિયરીમાં તમને કમ્પ્લીટ ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો હશે બધી રીતે, જે આ મેર સુપર સેચ્યુરેશન થિયરીમાં છે, જે ગ્રાફિકલ સિસ્ટમમાં તમને બતાવ્યું છે. આપણે મેથડ બી જોઈ ગયા અલગ અલગ રીતે બધી. ઓકે, કયા કયા પોઈન્ટ જોઈએ આપણે મેન? ઇન પાર્ટ્સ ઓફ ધ સિમ્પલી ઇક્વિલિબ્રિયમ અને યીલ્ડ માટે જોયું. સુપર સેચ્યુરેશન માટે મેથડ જોઈ, ન્યુક્લિએશન, ક્રિસ્ટલ ગ્રોથ જોયા. હવે ક્રિસ્ટલ ગ્રોથ માટેનું જે આપણે જોઈ ગયા હતા તે જોઈ લઈએ થોડુંક આપણે. This one. The number of nuclei and the rate of growth of crystal does depend upon the temperature of this separation. The number of the nucleic and growth, the crystal increases with a temperature up to the certain point of the decreases. Okay, the temperature corresponding to a maximum number of nucleic formation is different than the temperature at which growth rate a maximum. Okay, this is the part of the crystal growth. Okay, so thank you so much. Next lecture માં આપણે બીજી થિયરી જોઈશું.